This episode, we're going to learn about making wise choices. It's important to work hard and make wise choices. Yet, what does that look like? Making a wise choice is staying on task when you are working. This way, you can show off your best work. Another wise choice is to help someone if they get hurt. You can help them up or go get an adult to help. When your teacher is talking, it is important to listen. That way, you know what you are supposed to do next. You can make another wise choice by helping others in the classroom. This is part of being in a classroom community. It is always wise to think about a problem and how you can solve it on your own. If you need help, you can always ask a classmate. Making sure to clean up after yourself is also a wise choice. It isn't fair to others if they have to clean up after you. Making sure you walk around safely in the classroom so that you're not running into others is also a wise choice. Now that we've learned about making wise choices, let's see if you can see who's making a wise choice. I wonder if these boys are making a wise choice. What do you think? You're right, they are making a wise choice. I wonder if this girl is making a wise choice. What do you think? No, she isn't making a wise choice. I wonder if this boy is making a wise choice. What do you think? You're right, he is making a wise choice. I hope you like this lesson on making wise choices. Don't forget to check out my channel for more lessons. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more.